Cats spend 70% of their lives sleeping, averaging 16 hours daily. During approximately 25% of this sleep, they experience REM dream states with brain activity nearly identical to humans dreaming. Research from Michel Jouvet between 1959 and 1967 proved cats dream and revealed what they likely dream about. Michel Jouvet, French neurobiologist working at Claude Bernard University in Lyon, conducted foundational sleep research using cats as primary subjects. His work between 1959 and 1967 established the existence of REM sleep, identified the brain structures responsible for paralysis during dreams, and demonstrated complex behavioral content within feline dream states. Jouvet's most famous experiments involved disabling the pontine lesion that paralyzes muscles during REM sleep. Cats with this region disabled physically acted out their dreams while remaining asleep. They stalked imaginary prey, batted at invisible objects, groomed unseen kittens, and performed hunting sequences without ever waking up. The cat sleep cycle alternates between non-REM and REM stages every 25 to 30 minutes. Non-REM sleep allows physical recovery and energy conservation. REM sleep handles memory consolidation, emotional processing, and learning integration. Both stages serve essential functions for feline brain and body maintenance. Light sleep, called slow-wave sleep, accounts for the majority of cat sleep time. During this stage, cats remain partially aware of their environment, with ears rotating toward sounds and muscles ready for instant action. This evolutionary adaptation lets cats rest while remaining alert to potential threats or prey opportunities. Deep sleep represents only 15 to 20% of total cat sleep. During this stage, cats become difficult to wake and fully relax their muscles. The body performs cellular repair, growth hormone release, and immune system maintenance. Insufficient deep sleep correlates with health issues in cats just as it does in humans. REM sleep in cats includes the characteristic rapid eye movements visible through closed eyelids. The eye movements correspond to visual processing during dream content. Paw twitches, facial muscle movements, and occasional vocalization indicate active brain processing of stored memories and experiences during this stage. Dream content in cats appears to focus on hunting, exploration, and social interaction based on observed motor patterns. The Jouvet research documented behaviors during dream enactment including prey stalking, climbing motions, defensive postures, and friendly greeting movements. Cats appear to rehearse and process their daily experiences during sleep. Sleep position correlates with sleep depth. Cats curled in tight balls typically experience light to moderate sleep. Cats sprawled on their backs with exposed bellies indicate complete trust and deep sleep stages. The loaf position with paws tucked suggests light sleep with rapid awakening readiness. Kittens spend up to 90% of their time sleeping during the first few weeks. The intensive sleep schedule supports brain development, growth hormone production, and learning consolidation. As cats mature, sleep duration decreases gradually but remains higher than most other mammals throughout life. Adult cats sleep approximately 14 to 16 hours daily. Senior cats over 12 years often increase sleep to 18 or 20 hours. The increase relates to reduced energy levels, decreased mobility, and age-related changes in sleep regulation. Significantly increased sleep in any cat warrants veterinary evaluation for underlying conditions. Cats are crepuscular, meaning most active during dawn and dusk. Their sleep schedule clusters around midday and middle-of-night hours. This pattern reflects ancestral hunting behavior, when their prey species were most active. Modern indoor cats retain this circadian rhythm despite consistent food availability throughout the day. The Journal of Sleep Research published 2018 documentation of feline sleep patterns using EEG monitoring. The research confirmed cats experience all the same sleep stages as humans, with similar brainwave patterns during corresponding stages. The sleep architecture in cats provides valuable comparative data for understanding human sleep disorders. Sleep disorders affect cats similarly to humans. Sleep apnea has been documented in flat-faced breeds like Persians and Himalayans. Insomnia can occur secondary to anxiety or medical conditions. Excessive sleep often indicates underlying disease. Veterinary evaluation can identify and treat feline sleep disorders effectively. Cats need approximately 7 to 9 hours of consolidated sleep for proper REM cycling. Frequent interruptions prevent the cat from cycling through complete sleep stages. Disturbed sleep contributes to behavioral issues, decreased immune function, and impaired learning. Providing quiet sleep environments supports cat health significantly. Sleep temperature preferences in cats favor warm environments. Cats select sleep locations with ambient temperatures between 24 and 30 degrees Celsius. Sunlit windowsills, heating vents, electronic devices producing warmth, and proximity to humans all attract cat sleep selection due to thermoregulatory benefits. Group sleeping in multi-cat households indicates social bonding. Cats that sleep in physical contact with each other demonstrate trust and emotional connection. This behavior, called allogrooming sleep or pile sleeping, releases oxytocin and reduces stress hormones in participating cats. Sleep helps cats process and consolidate hunting practice. Young cats learn hunting techniques during play, then process and refine these skills during REM sleep. Studies have shown improved hunting accuracy after periods of normal sleep, compared to sleep-deprived conditions in research settings. Dreams may serve evolutionary protective functions. The Jouvet research suggested cats rehearse threat responses and escape behaviors during REM sleep. This dream-based practice allows refinement of survival skills without actual environmental exposure to dangerous situations or wasted physical energy. Sleep deprivation affects cats negatively within 24 to 48 hours. Symptoms include increased irritability, decreased grooming, reduced appetite, and impaired coordination. Chronic sleep disturbance can lead to immune suppression, weight changes, and behavioral problems requiring veterinary attention to resolve. Cat sleep contributes to their famous self-restoration ability. After injuries or illness, increased sleep supports faster recovery. The combination of growth hormone release, immune system activation, and reduced energy expenditure during sleep accelerates healing in ways awake states cannot match. Some breeds show different sleep patterns. Active breeds like Bengal and Siamese sleep slightly less than average, around 12 to 14 hours daily. Relaxed breeds like Persian and Ragdoll often exceed 16 hours of sleep. These breed differences reflect activity level and metabolic variations rather than fundamental sleep needs. The brainstem region called the pontine tegmentum controls REM sleep paralysis. Damage to this region produces the dream enactment behavior Jouvet originally documented. Veterinary neurology recognizes similar conditions occasionally in cats experiencing seizure disorders or specific brain injuries affecting sleep regulation. Cats may experience emotional dreams based on neurological evidence. The amygdala, the brain region processing emotions, shows activity patterns during REM sleep similar to wakeful emotional states. Cats may experience joy, fear, or curiosity during dreams just as humans do during corresponding emotional dream content. Most owners never realize the twitching, paw movements, and occasional vocalizations they observe in sleeping cats represent active mental processing, remarkably similar to human dreaming. Your cat is not just resting. Your cat is actively experiencing complex memories, scenarios, and emotional states throughout daily sleep periods. Tomorrow's video reveals whether cats can recognize their own names, including the 2019 University of Tokyo study that proved name recognition versus the popular myth of cats ignoring their humans. Subscribe to discover what your cat actually understands about communication.